How can I use the index array in TensorFlow? If given a matrix A with shape 5, 3, and index array B with shape 5, we can easily get the corresponding vector C through. C equals the np.arrange5, B. However, I cannot do the same thing with TensorFlow. My question is, if I cannot produce the expected result in TensorFlow as a numpy using the above mentioned method, what should I do?
This feature is not currently implemented in TensorFlow. GitHub issue number 4638 is tracking the implementation of numpy-style advanced indexing. However, you can use the tf.gather_nd operator to implement your program.